Are real estate portals giving you the full picture, or just a misleading price tag? We're back in Istria, the Tuscany of Croatia, moving up to the €30,000 to €50,000 segment. So what does your money actually buy in this bracket? Our analysis of 42 active listings shows 80% don't specify property type. Among those that do, 14% are attached or terraced houses, and only 5% are fully detached. So even with a higher budget, finding a standalone building remains a challenge. The built area varies wildly, from a tiny 22 square meter shed to a 350 square meter house. On average, you're looking at 90 square meters. Layouts usually range from 1 to 6 rooms, with an average of about 2.4. But even at this price, almost 95% of cases lack modern internal plumbing. You're essentially buying a shell where the bathroom is a project you'll have to build from scratch. But there is a sweet spot in this segment. About 50% of properties that fall under what we call structural renovation, where the walls are generally sound but the roof, specifically the tiles and gutters, needs a complete overhaul. We're also seeing a tiny fraction, about 5%, reaching the shell stage, or even having some very outdated finishes from the 70s or 80s. On average, these houses have about 1.3 levels, usually a ground floor with a small attic. The average plot of land is about 155 square meters, but this figure is skewed by a few outliers. While some have no yard at all, others offer up to 3,100 square meters of usable land. As for the age of these buildings, the data remains a mystery. Not a single listing mentions a construction year. Utilities remain a significant hurdle. Electricity? Almost 65% of listings offer no information, though 29% have it available at the boundary. Water follows a similar pattern. 62% are unspecified, while roughly 24% have a connection point nearby. Sewerage is almost invisible in the data, 90% of listings staying silent on the matter. Gas, internet, and cable TV? They're completely absent from the data in this bracket. In terms of logistics, these properties are slightly better connected than the cheaper ones. On average, you're about 2 kilometers from an elementary school, 17 kilometers from a hospital, 17 kilometers from a train station, and around 2 kilometers from a bus station. So, what's the verdict for the €30,000 to €50,000 range? You're no longer buying a building that might fall down tomorrow. Instead, you're buying a viable reconstruction project with a more solid structural foundation. Is Istria still the right move? With its world-class gourmet scene, restoring an authentic stone house here remains a prestigious long-term play for a premium lifestyle. But if these hurdles feel daunting, don't lose heart. Our data-driven journey is just getting started. We'll soon explore other hidden regions where your budget might stretch even further, bringing that Mediterranean dream within reach. If you found this data drill useful, don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we'll cross the €50,000 threshold to see if that's the magic number where bathrooms finally become standard. See you then.